Hey guys, good morning. Welcome you all to another video, and today we are going to continue with paper number 4 and term unit number 1, that is terms. And I'm going to postpone the two terms like a restoration drama and diary writing, and I'm going to uh, start with the Augustan age. So you can see that in the Poetry Foundation website is there, and you can get a lot of information about the Augustan age. But I'm not here to going to read out what is written on the Poetry Foundation. So first, I would like to tell you what is the original age of Augustine. So you can also read on the screen. The original Augustan age was the brilliant literary period of Virgil, Ovid, and Horace under the Roman Emperor Augustus. Augustus born on King Emperor Augustus born on 27 BC and he was died in 14th AD. In the 18th century and later, however, the term was frequently applied also to the literary period in England from approximately 1700 to 1745. The leading writers of the time, such as Alexander Pope, Jonathan Swift, and Joseph Addison, themselves drew the parallel to the Roman original Augustans and deliberately imitated their literary forms and subjects, their emphasis on social concerns, and their ideals of moderation, decorum, and urbanity. A major representative of popular rather than classical writing in this period was the novelist, journalist, and pamphleteer Daniel Defoe. Lady Mary Wortley Montagu was a brilliant letter writer in a great era of letter writing. She also wrote poems of wit and candor that violated the conventional moral and intellectual roles assigned to women in the Augustan era. The further period, which is also called as the Age of Sensibility, it is also part of the Augustan age. But actually, the historian have also that divided it, and they call it as the age of sensibility or the age of Johnson after the death of Alexander Pope. So the period between the death of Alexander Pope in 1744 and 1785, because the Augustan age or the age of Johnson, these are the part of neoclassical age, which started from 1660 and ended to 1785 after the death of Dr. Samuel Johnson. Okay, so which 1 year after the death of Samuel Johnson and 1 year before Robert Burns' poems, chiefly in Scottish dialect. An older name for this half century, the age of Johnson, traces the dominant position of Samuel Johnson, who was born in 1709 and he was died in 84, and his literary and intellectual circle, which included Oliver Goldsmith, Edmund Burke, James Boswell, Edward Gibbon, and Hester Lange Thal. These authors, on the whole, represented a culminated of the literary and critical modes of neoclassicism and the worldview of the Enlightenment. The more recent name, Age of Sensibility, puts its trace on the emergence in other writers of the 17th and 14th and later of new cultural attitudes, theories of literature, and types of poetry. We find in this period, for example, a growing sympathy for the Middle Ages, a vogue of cultural primitivism, an awakening interest in ballads and other folk literature, a turn from neoclassic correctness and its emphasis on judgment and restraint to an emphasis on instinct and feeling, the development of literature of sensibility, and above all, the exaltation of some critics of original genius and barded poetry of the sublime and visionary imagination. Thomas Gray expressed this anti-neoclassic sensibility and set of values in his stanzas to Mr. Bentley, which was published in 1752. So other poets who showed similar shift in thought and taste were William Collins and Joseph and Thomas Warton, and sometimes Thomas Gray also. So guys, this was about the Augustan age, and I have also told you about the age of Johnson or age of sensibility. That is also called as the age of transition, because that the Romantic period started from the publication of Rilke Ballad, and before that the Robert Burns poems. That is actually the beginning of the Romantic period. But actually, the Thompson Seasons, which was published in 1714 during the Augustan age, that was the actually the real beginning of romanticism. So hey guys, I hope that you understood it. So if you didn't get it, please ask me in the comment section. I'm there to solve your queries. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.